Hello everyone, welcome to FENTL. In this video, we are going to see 4 best tricep exercises that we can do at gym. The first exercise is straight bar tricep extension. I have slightly bent forward so that there won't be much pressure on forearm and I can target my triceps. Your elbow should be in fixed position and only your forearm should move up and down. Most of the tricep exercises are stretching your tricep and then squeezing it. So mainly tricep exercises include extension. The next workout is cable tricep extension. For these first 2 exercises, we need a cable machine. Keep the cable pulley at the bottom and use the handle for overhead extension. Try to keep your elbows close to the head. If it is too hard to pull it from the bottom, you can adjust the pulley to the halfway and from there you can do this exercise. More than biceps, triceps are bigger muscle group which will help you to build a bigger hands. As the name itself says, biceps include 2 muscles whereas triceps include 3 muscles. Make sure you do the full extension and when doing it, try to squeeze your triceps. As I said earlier, if you want to have a bigger arms, make sure you work out your triceps. There is a dumbbell variation also for this exercise. I will show that as well in this video. The third exercise is tricep machine extension. In this workout, you have to be in a seated position and you have to hold the handle with your hands in parallel and try to push the handle down with your forearms. This is similar to the first workout, but instead of cable and pulley, we are using a tricep machine. As I said earlier, most of the tricep workouts includes extension of your arms. Extend your arms and then try to squeeze your triceps. And the last exercise is overhead dumbbell tricep extension. This is the dumbbell variation of second exercise. Instead of using cable to do the overhead extension, we are using a dumbbell here. Keep your elbows close to your head. Triceps are also targeted when doing chest exercises. So having strong triceps will help you during chest workouts as well. So that's it for today. Please do subscribe and share this video. Stay fit and healthy. See you in the next video.